Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Paleontology is the scientific study of the history of life on Earth as revealed by the preserved remains of plants, animals, and other organisms in the fossil record. Fossil discoveries have played a crucial role in our understanding of Earth's history, evolution, and the development of life on our planet. Here are some key aspects of paleontology and notable fossil discoveries. Fossils and the fossil record. Fossils are the preserved remains, impressions, or traces of once living organisms. They can include bones, shells, imprints, tracks, and even soft tissues in rare cases. The fossil record is an archive of life's history on Earth and provides evidence of the evolution of species over millions of years. Charles Darwin and evolution. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, as outlined in his book, On the Origin of Species, 1859, was significantly informed by the study of fossils. He used fossils to demonstrate the gradual change of species over time. Notable fossil discoveries. Archaeopteryx. This bird-like dinosaur fossil from the late Jurassic period is often considered one of the missing links between dinosaurs and modern birds. Tiktaalik. This fossil, from the late Devonian period, represents an intermediate form between fish and early tetrapods, shedding light on the transition of vertebrates from water to land. Lucy. Australopithecus afarensis. This famous hominid fossil, dating back around 3.2 million years, provided valuable insights into the evolution of early humans. Sioux. Tyrannosaurus rex. Sioux is one of the most complete and well-preserved Tyrannosaurus rex specimens ever discovered, shedding light on the life and biology of these apex predators. Burgess Shale. This Cambrian fossil deposit in Canada contains a diverse array of exceptionally preserved early animals, providing insights into the Cambrian explosion and the origin of many major animal groups. Göbekli Tepe. This archaeological site in Turkey dates back over 11,000 years and contains carvings and pillars that depict various animals and symbols, showcasing early human artistic and symbolic expression. Methods of study. Paleontologists use a variety of techniques to study fossils, including excavation, cleaning, cataloging, and analysis. These methods include radiometric dating, CT scanning, and DNA analysis in some cases. Importance of paleontology. Paleontology helps us understand the history of life, the process of evolution, and the interactions between ancient organisms and their environments. Fossils also offer insights into past climate change, mass extinctions, and the development of ecosystems over time. Ongoing discoveries. Fossil discoveries continue to be made around the world, shedding new light on Earth's history. These discoveries can reshape our understanding of ancient life and the planet's geological past. Paleontology is a dynamic and evolving field, and ongoing research and discoveries are essential for expanding our knowledge of Earth's history and the origins of life. Paleontologists use fossils to learn about the evolution of life, the environments in which past organisms lived, and the relationships between different groups of organisms. They also use fossils to reconstruct ancient ecosystems and climates. Some of the most important fossil discoveries in recent years include Tiktaalik rosei, a 375-million-year-old fish with a mix of fish and tetrapod features, was discovered in Nunavut, Canada in 2004. Tiktaalik is considered to be a transitional fossil, providing evidence of the evolution of fish from water to land. Nadezhdipteryx galliporum, a 120-million-year-old dinosaur with feathers, was discovered in Mongolia in 2005. Nadezhdipteryx provides further evidence that dinosaurs evolved into birds. Oviraptor philoceratops, a 70-million-year-old dinosaur found sitting on a nest of eggs, was discovered in Mongolia in 1993. Oviraptor provides evidence that dinosaurs were caring parents, similar to modern birds. Ardipithecus ramidus, a 4.4-million-year-old primate with a mix of ape and human features, was discovered in Ethiopia in 1994. Ardipithecus ramidus is considered to be one of our earliest human ancestors. Homo naledi, a previously unknown species of early human, was discovered in a cave in South Africa in 2013. Homo naledi is one of the most complete early human skeletons ever found, and it is shedding new light on the evolution of our own species. These are just a few examples of the many important fossil discoveries that have been made in recent years. Paleontology is a dynamic and exciting field of science, and new discoveries are being made all the time. Significance of paleontology and fossil discoveries. Paleontology and fossil discoveries are important for a number of reasons. First, they provide us with a direct record of the history of life on Earth. Fossils are the only way that we can learn about the evolution of life and the environments in which past organisms lived. Second, fossils can help us to understand the present. By studying the past, we can learn about the processes that have shaped the world today. For example, fossils can help us to understand how climate change has affected life on Earth in the past, and they can also help us to predict how climate change may affect life in the future. Third, fossils can help us to prepare for the future. For example, fossils of ancient pathogens can help us to develop new vaccines and treatments for diseases. Fossils of ancient plants can also help us to develop new crops and other food sources that are resistant to pests and diseases. Overall, paleontology and fossil discoveries are essential for understanding the past, present, and future of life on Earth. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.